Yeah.
Seriously, I'm on the streets and you literally want to take off everything that's on me.
Did you think of that when you cheated?
What is that one? Wait! What's that name? Wait, bro. What's that name?
That.
Okay, what's going on?
I don't even have time to explain that because you already made your assumptions and conclusions. Leave it like that.
I heard it when we talk, I like to rap a lot. Wounds and pen we heal and make a song about.
I don't wanna lose you again. First time I felt the pain. This time don't walk away. I pray you stay born. It's your boy C4. Kano go tshare na wana papa mo le sa tia bo John Legend. Re tia bo mama bona wana papa ke mara wa tseba today I'm here because of Uyajola. I'm deep inside Vala again. I go tseba wana papa when I'm here it's about to get down. When I'm here I make sure that anybody that cheats gets to be right here and then get 99. Uyajola 99 go 100%. And when you cheat just know I will always be on your back like a spine. Papa, I will never let you go. I will always let you know. Papa, cheating is not good. It's never been good. So you know what? I have a problem. My girlfriend they want to like as the usual. And you know when people cheat, I don't tolerate that, guys. I don't tolerate it at all. I just pull up and make sure that anyone who's cheating doesn't cheat anymore. Cheating is not good. If you cheat, I'ma come for you. And when I come for you, you don't feel I wanna papa born. Check out him. Hey.
This is a message to my heart. I should have never went there if I knew you break apart. Why did I listen to my thoughts? Maybe should have flew before I crossed. My apologies for not. Message to my heart. I should have never went there if I knew you break apart. Why did I listen to my thoughts? Maybe should have.
What's up, man? Yeah, you know almost it's your boy C4. Tonya the mineral, vitamin A and B, C and D, A and born. I wanna papa. What's your name?
I come
Tebo. So Tebo, tell me, well, what's your girlfriend's name? Sifi.
Yeah.
So tell me, man, when did you start dating when I know Sifi?
I think it's been 3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah.
So, bro, tell me that what kind of a chick is she? Like, who's Sifi? In what manner? So, you will change her in what manner? Okay, I love at first sight.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, man. So how was the journey between you two through all those years?
This is a smooth. Because we don't get a shot. Then I think it's the fact that everyone has been finishing as a savings the way they savings on a corner before. So
okay.
And then from that,
okay, so I'm telling when you know when C4 is here, I'm about to do the most. So I'm telling you and okay.
Last time
okay. Sure.
So
oh, so
yena normally nama Friday ngisho uyahamba uye-PTA ukuvakashela abazali bakhe nami so ngijwayele leyo nto leyo so yiko ngifuna umngani wakhe ngoba mekanaye angisho bahlala babo.
Oh, so umngani wakhe she actually stays at PTA now.
Yeah.
So yeah, she tells you that she's going there, and then when you call her friend and ask her, then she doesn't know anything about that.
So you go, you're gonna explain the situation. What's the guy going to do? Mama, okay. The site in the Baba can go up to the So I'm telling you one of my suspicions that the time young rules of the schools are around. Why my own? Because because I'm jail, if the guy is mama, so if I'm
Right now, just because this guy is hurt, guys, I don't like people who cheat. I'ma make sure that wherever they are, whenever they are, I will get them. You know, you will never survive. If your boy is here, it's your boy C4. Ntone the mineral, vitamin A and B, C and D, A and C. Papa, what I can tell you is that you called the right person. And Mangpumala, I'll make sure that I hit my investigation on point. I'm sending my G's or Baspanengai and make sure good to be Amchola. How will that make you feel?
Maybe zongenza ngithola closure nyana yabo, like because when getting a lot iqiniso nakhe.
Okay. Papa, right now I'm going to hit my investigation. You know what it is. What's up? You heard. If you cheat, I don't like people who getting hurt, because you know what, being hurt is not a good thing, bro. Yeah. And I'm sure you do love her wholeheartedly. So when she's doing something like this, she has you too, and she doesn't even think of you with all her actions. Because in a relationship, you know you must communicate. Do you communicate with her?
Yeah, we do, but not like we used to.
Not like you used to. Yeah. Okay. What I can do right now is to not waste time right now. Go hit the investigation, then I will find out what's going on. Will that be enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me pause, then watch our investigation, then I will come back. Yeah.
Okay.
Except, you know, it's your boy C4. Don't you add the mineral, vitamin A and B, C and D, A and C. Papa, I want to know what the investigation I'm a doggy dog. Papa, Rabalata no, Rawana Wetala, because you know when you cheat, I'ma always be there. I'll be on your back like a spine. You swine. Papa, let me go hit my investigation before wasting any time, before people get away with the Mjolo. Papa Mjolo, when I'm here, I make sure Papa, I catch them right-handed, white-handed, black-handed, your white, black, purple, blue, Dubai, Paris, Venda, Raulata, Wanamahuno, Irgata, Kota investigation. How much? Puyamo, Timagamo.
How could you say that you love me and leave me for another man? How could you claim that you got my back then the next minute and leave me fall on my back? How could you play me a fool and then expect me to continue to run with that? How could you fuck with him then call me, tell me you love me while he kissing on your neck? Fuck it. Never gonna trust a bitch ever, and that is a fact. Never gonna let you fuck me up again. I swear that I need my heart back. I'd rather be a fuckboy, whatever you call it, cause Uyajola is whack. I'd rather get our own weed and miss me with bitches as snitches and all of that. Like a hologram. You cannot touch me, but hear my raps reminiscing about you sitting on my lap. You plan to take over the world without a map, and who is to blame for all of that? None of us wanna take the fall, so we better off each other. It's cool like that. You draw me man like a hooligan. Oh God, baby, she a really freak. Oh my, we getting dirty in the sheets all night. She know nobody get hit it like I do, cause I'm bringing the heat. It's sunrise, she be feeling the breeze. My arms, yeah, she dreaming of me. Then right in the moment, she woke up and kissed me and told me,
Bona, your boy is back. Your boy C4. We went there and did our investigation. Then we found something. Mara, before I go there, let me talk to my G. Papa.
Sure.
How have you been? Okay, so tell me, man. Work Taganjani these days since you approached me.
Nah, it's the event.
It's a fun. So when where is she according to you right now? She told you like we are whoopee, like this weekend when we are whoopee sharp. And then you call a friend. You didn't.
Yeah.
So okay, Njana Koko Esh, I have good news and bad news for you. Which one would you like to hear first? I'm a good news Uguti, you were right, we are cheating on corner. And the bad news Uguti is a cover lava call. Yeah, like right now, that's why I'm saying it's bad news more by us in Pechu. It hurts to find you like Umuntu Ako that they're cheating on you. Panza, evidence more. Yeah, is this PTA, bro? You heard I don't like the news of the people. The news of the people love me. For now, since we did our investigation and we made sure that nobody survived, we about to go down. So what do you prefer we do? We let them go or not? No. Sure. Really counts. You heard. If someone is hurt, I'll be here and I'll make sure I fix everything. We're looking for. Okay, thank you, man. Thank you. Bro, can we just for a minute? We wanna talk. We came with the insurance right here, and then we wanna. What's up? Hello. Wait.
What's going on?
What's going on is that is this your boyfriend?
Yeah, she's my girlfriend.
Is this your boyfriend?
Yeah.
And who's this?
Oh my God! What the fuck are you guys doing?
Wait! What? If you can explain.
Oh my God! What am I supposed to explain?
Explain. What's going on?
Take the camera off our faces.
Wait, what's going on? What's going on? Huh?
Nothing is going on.
Is this your boyfriend?
We're chilling here.
You are chilling.
Yeah,
I asked, is this your girlfriend?
Nothing that's going on
Is
here.
this your girlfriend?
What's happening?
Is this your
What do you
girlfriend?
mean?
Answer my question. Answer my question. Is this your girlfriend?
Oh my God! This is like, wow, fuck that!
Fuck you! Put your dad on.
What's wrong? Who's that nigga?
Wait, bro.
What's that nigga?
Alright, answer my question.
What's that nigga?
Answer my question. Is that your
What's that
girlfriend?
nigga?
That your boyfriend died.
Oh my
Is
God,
that boyfriend?
Alex, stop doing
Is
this.
that
What
boyfriend?
you trying to do, bro?
Is that boyfriend?
What you trying to do,
God.
bro?
Is that boyfriend?
What's
What you
wrong?
trying to do, bro?
Born, like calm down, bro.
Fuck that nigga.
Calm down, bro.
Recording us.
Eh?
Why?
Calm down, bro. They call us here.
So why
I'm
recording?
scared.
They call us here.
What do you like
Stop
to
that
do?
shit.
What
I won't stop that shit because this is somebody's girlfriend. You know that.
This is my girlfriend also. Nigga, what's up?
Are you a girlfriend?
Wow.
Nigga, what's up?
You know what? You
Hello.
have like cameras on my face. You know what? I'm done with this. I'm out of here.
Hey, what up, Papa? Hey, so when the situation is like this, bon, hey, what up, Papa? Kro, what up, Tanje, Joche, eh? One of my child, Panta. Tiba one no man. Tiba le dite la mo. Hello, Mama.
Hey.
Kaya mena tama tawa ko.
Hey.
Hello, Mama.
What's going on?
What's going on?
You're even holding me.
What's going on? What's going on is that
What's all this?
you know what's going on is that
Oh, can I-
you
can I
cannot.
pause?
You cannot.
No, I
Explain.
honestly need to.
Explain.
I wanna know.
Explain
do you
why?
like
What am I
between
supposed
these
to
two?
explain?
Who do you love between these two?
Wow.
Who do you love between these two?
Wow.
Huh?
What a question. Can we
Yeah. No.
Sihle,
We cannot. Because they called us right here.
I told you before
sihle.
that I have a man in my life that's there. So
So you heard that, bro.
why you guys are making drama?
We're not making any drama right here.
Obviously, with the guy, you didn't even ask what's going on. You're getting in
But
there like
you told him. You told him.
Did you
You
even know?
told him.
Well, probably Obviously, I had something to do before that.
Like sitting in a room
I
with this guy.
forgot to tell you.
You forgot.
Yeah, obviously I forgot.
How can you obviously forget about such a thing?
I mean, isn't that normal? I'm a person. I'm supposed
Because
to get eggs.
when I find cheaters like you, the people who doesn't respect people's feelings, you know what? Let me tell you something about this man. You see her, that's her girlfriend, and since she's
also my girlfriend, so what's up?
so
Is this your business, bro?
how do you feel about
Is this your business?
Yeah?
Is this your business?
Yeah, it is my business because they call me right here.
They call you.
Yeah.
So that nigga called you.
Yeah,
You
he
call
did.
these people here. For
Yeah.
what? For what? See what? Wow. Whoa.
So is this what we call polyandry or what? Is it?
Polyandry for what?
I'm asking because
Isn't it
like right
normal?
now you're saying it's your man and it's your man.
Wow, seriously, you're gonna take off things on me that I have on me like right now, right here.
Hey bro, we're not
No,
taking
obviously
this
you can't do that.
You can't. So bro, how
No, you can't do this right now. Wow, they're on my feet like literally right now. So
Yeah,
there's nothing that's gonna happen. I ain't gonna take them off. No, obviously not.
Bro, can you
No.
please?
Just my girlfriend, bro.
No,
Nah,
I
would like to
ain't
die.
giving you
but you see her as a boyfriend. Did she tell you about her boyfriend? Nah, brother, hey,
Nah.
look at him, man.
Nah.
Hey, cameraman. Shoot her, what up, papa? Shoot her.
Like seriously. Seriously, I'm on the streets and you literally wanna take off everything that's on me.
Did you think of that
gonna
when you
care.
cheated?
I didn't even cheat.
What
I was
did
like
you
with
do?
the guy
But
chilling.
he said you cheated your boyfriend.
Wow.
Oh, you disagree with what he's saying? Grab nigga, what do you say about that?
Technically.
You wanna live with that nigga?
Like what are we gonna do right now
Oh
if
my
the
god,
situation
standing
is
here,
like
you all
this?
want me to like choose. I like for real.
Yeah,
bro.
you have.
You wanna live that?
Hey, bro,
That nigga
whoa.
It's full of shit.
Who's full of shit right
That
here?
nigga's full of shit.
Wait, man, calm down. Calm down. What makes you be angry? What be angry?
You're full of shit, man.
What be angry? Why are you pushing the leg?
It's full of shit.
Okay, stop fighting. Stop fighting.
So when I'm who do you choose between these two?
I'll fuck you
Oh,
up.
now I'm supposed to choose. Like between the two.
You have to.
Don't touch me.
Who do you love?
Don't fucking touch me, bro.
So
Oh, so you're giving up on us. You're giving up on me. Like walking away just like that.
Yeah, ayikho into engizoyenza.
Wow. After all the time
Bro,
we've been together,
bro.
now you're gonna throw that
Hey yo,
away.
man,
Wow.
come here. We have to resolve this before we go,
Wow.
bro.
You must go.
No, there's no ways. There's no
Wait,
ways.
You just can't leave me. No, that's
So you see,
not
bro,
an
like
option.
this.
Like seriously, it's
So
not an
what do you have
option.
to say about this?
What are you doing? So you wanna leave me for that guy?
Yeah, obviously it's not
Seriously,
boyfriend.
can't leave me. For
You
no
wanna leave me
reason.
for that
No.
That's your boyfriend.
No.
So bro, how do you feel about this situation? The
You
whole
wanna leave me
situation?
for that guy?
Wow, nothing
so-
actually happened. No, you're
Well,
making
but-
conclusions here. You're concluding things. Things you shouldn't be concluding. Wow.
So how
Are
can
you
you tell him
serious?
that? But you shouldn't
Just
have
let
lied.
him go.
I didn't lie. Obviously,
You
I'm
did.
gonna go there afterwards.
Go away
In Pretoria.
in
Yeah,
Pretoria.
like I told
But
him.
you don't even tell him that you're going there.
Like I said, I
And
forgot.
he's saying it's not the first time because last time you made an
Wow.
excuse. Last time you made an excuse. You told him.
So you told these people with cameras, yeah, that I'm busy cheating and all that. So you're gonna come like.
He didn't say you were cheating. He said he suspected you.
Wow.
And his suspicion was
Seriously.
true.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Wow.
me.
Like what do you have to say for yourself?
Just don't, bro.
What am I gonna say for myself?
Yeah, say something for
I
yourself.
can't
Hey
say
bro,
anything. Like,
wait a minute. Don't touch me,
Don't touch me,
So
bro.
why
Why are
would
you
you-
touching me?
Hey, what
Why?
Papa? I pay
Why?
Papa 99.
Wait.
My name is C
And
for the
listen, I
mineral.
want you
And
to
when you
listen.
cheat,
I
you
don't
know
give a
what?
fuck about that.
You don't
What
give a
I'm
fuck
about
about.
to
You won't
say.
give a fuck about that today, bro. So you
Wow.
know what, bro? Please, man. Like, when the situation is like this, then what are you gonna do, like, from now on? Because right now she's saying,
Bro,
what?
let's leave our business alone.
What? Leave whose business alone? This is my business, man.
Your business.
Yeah.
business.
This is
Let's
my
not
business.
make everything everybody's business. Can I just like talk to my man right now?
Your man. Your man. Your man.
Exactly.
Wow.
Your man.
Exactly.
Wow.
Your man.
Exactly. What
No.
do you have
Can
to
you
say
like
about
wait
this?
a second?
No. She's just my girlfriend. Bro.
She's just your girlfriend. Yeah, that's her man then. So how do you feel
Wow.
about that?
Wow.
Nigga, what's up? Tell me. Let's talk. Let's
You're
talk.
like,
bro.
yo, wait a
Let's
sec.
talk. Man to man, let's talk.
Girl, you see that, like, how do you feel about this?
Like,
Tell
get
How do you
off
feel?
my
We
face.
cannot.
friends.
You can
to
explain.
Run away, bro.
What
Let's
am I
Explain.
supposed to explain? What am I
Yeah, I
supposed
just
to
want to
say?
You're supposed to explain.
Already. No, you just can't do that. That's just wrong.
You must explain. You can't be doing that. It's wrong.
Wow.
It's wrong.
Seriously.
It's wrong. You know it's wrong. But you did it again. Bro, Wi-Fi, bro. Wi-Fi, bro.
I wanna talk to you.
You can't talk with your hands, bro. Like, keep your distance if you want to talk.
What she's doing is rubbish, bro.
It's what?
Rubbish.
Rubbish. Okay, the question is, are you dating her? Because right now she's claiming that you're not dating her, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Don't touch the car. Are you gonna pay for the camera if you smash them? Are you? Yeah. Yeah. Because they call me right here.
Wait.
Yeah. I'ma do that.
This
Hey,
is not what you
shoot them, cameraman.
Absolutely.
You
You
shoot
gotta
them.
go home.
What? Yeah. Because they call me right here. Yeah. I'ma do that. Hey, shoot them, cameraman.
What you doing, bro?
Shoot them. What? What you doing? What you doing?
I'll call cop
Hey,
for
bro.
you.
Hey, bro. Chill.
What you
Hey, what am I
doing?
cool? Chill. Hey, pon some sorry, let me fast mo.
Sure.
ML.
Just leave me.
Bro,
Leave me, bro.
you see now you.
Don't touch
That
me.
guy is fighting right now for what he doesn't know. What's wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with you.
There is something wrong
No,
with
there's
you.
obviously
Hey,
nothing
Panta,
wrong.
make sure it doesn't come here.
Don't touch me.
Like, bro, since the situation is like this, like, I don't know how to resolve it. Because right now she's saying nothing happened. And according to you, I can say like, she says she went to Pitori. And then it's the second time she's telling you that, right? And then she come up with excuses.
Just letting you bring up
Our
now I
business
see
in other people's.
Bro, let's talk.
Wow.
Let's talk.
Ah, look where I want Papa it's hectic right here. It's babagusting. It's tiring. So the situation is so now I don't know. Did I help you like the way you want me to help you, bro?
Yeah,
Don't touch me.
So you are living here? Okay,
Wow.
I heard.
Seriously.
You heard, girl.
After such a long time, you're gonna do that. Wow. That's
It's because of your actions.
That's amazing. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's because of your actions.
Wow.
What did you
My
expect from
actions.
Chichi? Yeah, what did you expect from Chichi?
concluded.
Yeah?
Nobody
but
asked
he's the
me
one who
what's going
concluded.
on and all that.
Okay, what's going on?
I don't even have time to explain that because you already made your assumptions and conclusions and all that. So I'm just gonna leave it like that.
No, come on, you can't just leave it like that.
You wanna leave? Why?
I don't even wanna talk to you. Like, just
Tell me what's happening.
I don't wanna tell you what's happening. I don't wanna tell you anything. And you know what we've done.
I don't know, bruh. So,
What?
when the situation is like this, how do you think we're gonna resolve it? Okay.
like looking at the things to be that.
Okay.
Now that I am
So you're gonna live here with your shoes then, Sahab? Okay, I get a question on Papa. Let us just go because we did resolve the matter, bro. Can we just leave them because I don't know how to explain this anymore. What Papa? You know your boy would say no atiba, but my punya about a tiba, but my punya about a tiba, but my Papa, you will never survive. So, what Papa? And I'm glad that you called me right here. I came and then I gave you the evidence that you wanted and we confronted them. So I'm feeling better right now.
Turn it off.
Much better. But you know what, bro? The advice that I can give to you is that you should hold on, bro. You should not give up on love because sometimes it's not about love. Love has no problem. The problem is the people that we're dating.
My life, you're supposed to like show yourself that you're second best. Show yourself that you're not my main nigga and all that.
Never give up, man. You know you're gonna find someone who's gonna love you the way you love them. You good, I'll wait you. I'm glad that I helped you. Bona wana bakolo it's your boy C4 Ntoni ya mineral vitamin A and B C and D A and C Bona wana papa when you feel like they're cheating on you Ntega mogalo wana bakolo Akwa nanga solisi I will never let you go If you cheat I will always be on your back like a spy Bona wana papa Kutima gamo Punya gamo Punya gamo Punya gamo Bona
I'ma change for you I'ma be okay just to meet all your needs. Yeah, I'ma be the one you wanna be with, babe. You're out of here.